Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Walmart beauty box. This is only $5. It is a subscription and they send it out quarterly, so 4 times a year. This one has a card inside. And is this all the products or just some of them? There are different boxes, which is why I'm a little confused. I think I get the trendsetter one, and then there's a different type of box too. So if you get it, your products might be the same, they might be different, but we'll take a look. The first item is Longwear Sheer Envy Setting Spray by Hard Candy. And that looks like it's a full size. It's a pretty big bottle, so that's really awesome. Let me see if it's on the card here. It is on the card. It says the full size. It retails for $5.97. Very cool. Then we have a Lola. This is organic cotton tampons. Full size is $2.98 for an 8 count. That's sealed, so I won't open that. I think I have heard of that brand though. There's the back of the setting spray package. Then we have Vital Proteins Beauty Collagen. And the flavor is strawberry lemon. It says it's for your skin, hair, nail, and joint support. Full size of this is $24.98. Then we have some Earth to Skin hand sanitizer, blueberry scented. Let's see if it's sealed. I want to smell that. Oh yeah, it does have a light blueberry scent. That's awesome. And you can never have enough of this stuff, that's for sure. It has aloe and blueberry extract in it, no sulfates or parabens. Cool. And a full size of that is $6.99. Then there is a sample of Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel. Full size of that is $5.99. And then the last item I got is from Neutrogena, and this is Stubborn Acne AM Treatment. Works all day to help eliminate stubborn acne. The full size of that is $9.97. So I'll show you the card again. I did receive this one. I did not get the Cetaphil or the number 7 retinol or the My Bite vitamins, but I received that. Did not get the blemish patch or the hair and shampoo or the mascara, but I got that. Didn't get the foot repair, got that, got that, got that. So I'm assuming the other box, not the trendsetter, I can't remember what the other one's called, but probably got the other products. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll put the link below to Walmart where you can sign up. They will auto bill you once you sign up, so I will put all the details in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.